ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. So problem number 2 and problem number 3 are the today's solutions, because these two problems have mistakes in the either in the minds of the lecturer and students or in the problem. So problem number 2 is a mistake from both side, and the problem number 3, there are many wrong assumptions about the problem. So today we will clear these assumptions and the errors, and we will solve the problem. So second problem, Shiva and Baswa are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. See, 2:1 means this can be interpreted as 2/3 and 1/3 with capitals of rupees 25,000 and 15,000. Remember, this is going to be their capital. Then interest on capital is agreed at 6% per annum. See, that means the capital of 25,000 and 15,000 is there. On this, we will be paying them interest at what amount? Interest at 6% per annum, and it is to be allowed, and Baswa is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 1,500. Okay, so annual, that means no need to multiply it with 12. Directly we can take it as 1,500. And during the year 2016, they earned the profits of rupees 10,000. Okay, so this is going to be net profit, which will be appearing on the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so next, a provision of rupees 2,000 is to be made in respect of managerial commission or the commission to the manager. See, this made to be cleared by the book. There need to be a clarification from the board that whether this is the commission which is paid to the manager or to the partner. Because if it is paid to the manager who is not a partner, then it is to be considered in profit and loss account and not appropriation account. And if it is paid to a partner who is the manager, then certainly it has to be considered in profit and loss appropriation account. So here we assume that it is paid to a manager who is also a partner, or it is paid to a partner who is also a manager. So then it will form part of profit and loss appropriation account. Then there is an interest on drawings. Shiva 1,500 and Baswa 1,000. Okay, so let's start. Yesterday I said on the credit side of your partner's capital account, there will be two items. But before that, we will see, first you need to write heading in the books of Shiva and Baswa. In order to get 100 out of 100, these all are necessary things. Then you write the heading profit and loss appropriation account, and then you write for the year ending for the year ending 31/3/2016. So they have given 15/16, so that's why I took it as 31/3/2016. And then first it will be by profit and loss account. We need to write the profit of rupees 10,000, so which was given here. Okay, so then next we need to look for interest on drawings, which has been given as 1,500 and 1,000. So here you can see. So I write Shiva. I have already written because I don't want it to waste most of the time in typing. So Shiva's capital. See, you don't write just Shiva and Baswa. You write clearly Shiva's capital account and Baswa's capital account, because NCERT has mentioned in the same way. So total will be 2,500. Then on the debit side, as yesterday I said, there will be three items: interest on capital, salary, and commission. So first, interest on capital, the capital is 25,000. On that, the 6% interest means it will be 1,500. And Basava's interest of 6% will be 900, because it is 15,000 into 6 divided by 100. So totally it will be 2,400. Even I can put this here. That will be better. 2,400. Okay. Next is salary to partners. Salary is being given to Basava, which is 1,500 rupees. So directly I write as it is annual salary. And we assume that the commission is paid to Shiva as salary has been received. It's just an assumption. It can be anyone, right? So the commission is directly given, that is 2,000 rupees. So which indicates that there is the total of the debit side is 5,900 and credit side is 12,500. That means still the profit available which can be distributed to both the partners is 6,600. 6,600. So this will be distributed among the Shiva and Basava in their capital ratio. So I write here, in their profit sharing ratio. So it will be 6,600 into 2 by 3, and Basava, it will be 6,600 into 1 by 3. So which will be first 4,400 and the next one is 2,200. And the outer column it is 6,600. So this is the solution to problem number 2, which is a very easy problem. So except that point of commission. So remember, conceptually you need to be very strong. Commission to a manager who is not a partner will form part of P&L account. So commission to a manager who is a partner, so then it will form part of profit and loss appropriation account, because profit and loss appropriation contains the details of appropriations made to partners. Next is, we will move to the third problem. That's again an interesting problem. This problem is based on the case of insufficient profit. Remember, insufficient profit. So what is mean by insufficient profit? Where the profit is not sufficient to pay off the payments which we need to do as interest on capital, salary, commission, or we say appropriations. At that time, there comes a special provision as per Indian Partnership Act. I don't like to quote section and all because that is not required for you. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಸಫಿಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಕೇವಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 3:2 ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1,80,000 ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ earned profit of rupees 15,000 ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಲವಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? 15,000. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮೊದಲು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೆಟರ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 16,800. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you look at this problem practically, the total capital is 1,80,000 and interest on capital is 10%. So 10% of 1,80,000 will be 18,000, and you know that the total amount available for appropriation is 16,800. Then paying 18,000 is impossible. So in this case, what we assume, the available amount of 16,800 will be distributed in the capital ratio as interest on capital. So interest on capital, as it cannot be fully paid, the amount available will be distributed. Remember, the amount available will be distributed as interest on capital in the capital ratio. Okay, so now what is the capital ratio? 1 lakh. See here, you can see the working capital ratio is equal to 1 lakh is to 80,000, which will be 10:8, and at last it will be 5:4. So if you divide this available 16,800 in 5:4, then it will come to 9 333 and 7467. Okay, so I hope you have understood, and if you have any queries, you can post it in the comment box. Definitely I will answer. And if you found this video useful, then you can share with your friends and you can ask them to like and subscribe the channel. So thank you very much.